Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Today, we are diving into the detailed repair process for the Conga 6090 laser. To start, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a multimeter, and a can of compressed air. These are essential for a comprehensive repair. Begin by powering off the device and unplugging it from the wall. Safety is paramount. Always ensure that the device is not connected to power before you start disassembling. Next, use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws on the back panel. There are typically 6 screws, so keep them in a small container to avoid losing them. As you remove the panel, take care to note any wiring connections. It's helpful to take a photo of the setup for reference when reassembling. Once the back panel is off, you will see the internal components. Begin cleaning the internal areas with the compressed air. Dust and debris can lead to overheating and malfunctions. Pay special attention to the laser assembly. A clean lens is crucial for optimal performance. If you suspect any electronic issues, use the multimeter to test the voltage on the circuit board. This step is vital to identify if the power supply is functioning correctly. If you find any discrepancies, it might be time to replace the power supply. Now, if you're not comfortable with handling these components or don't have the tools, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making the repair process hassle-free. You can also take advantage of our professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you know exactly what the problem is before proceeding with any repairs. After inspecting the circuit board, check the laser unit itself. Sometimes, the issue may lie in a misalignment or a burnt-out diode. If you find that the diode needs replacing, make sure you have the correct part on hand. It's always best to refer to the manufacturer's specifications for the exact model. Once you have made the necessary repairs, it's time to reassemble the unit. Carefully put the back panel in place, ensuring that all wiring is correctly routed and no components are pinched. Reinsert the screws using the Phillips screwdriver, tightening them securely but not overly tight to avoid stripping. Before you plug the device back in, it's a good practice to double-check all connections and ensure that everything is in order. Finally, if you require a quote before repair, don't hesitate to reach out to us. We provide transparent pricing, so you know what to expect. Once you're confident everything is secure, plug the unit back in and power it on. Conduct a test run to confirm that the repair was successful. If everything functions as expected, congratulations on completing the repair of your Conga 6090 laser. If you encounter further issues, remember our services are just a call away. No calls, no travel, just seamless support at your convenience. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.